Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Kids Fun Magic World. Friends, today our topic is essay on my gratitude to my motherland Bharat in English. Introduction. Gratitude is a powerful and profound emotion that anchors our sense of belonging and identity. It shapes our understanding of where we come from and influences how we interact with the world. For me, the feeling of gratitude is deeply intertwined with my connection to my motherland Bharat. Bharat, the ancient and vulnerable name for India, is not merely a geographical entity but a rich tapestry of history, culture, and values that has significantly shaped my identity. This essay reflects my deep appreciation for Bharat, exploring its historical significance, cultural richness, and the enduring legacy that continues to inspire and guide me. Historical significance. Bharat's history is a continuum of remarkable achievements and profound transformation. From the Indus Valley civilization, one of the world's earliest urban culture, to the Mauryas and Gupta Empire, which laid the foundation of political and economic system, the subcontinent has been a cradle of civilization. The timeless wisdom of ancient texts like the Vedas, Upanishads, and the epic Mahabharata and Ramayana offers invaluable insight into human philosophy and ethics. The struggle for independence from British colonial rule is a testament to Bharat's resilience and the indomitable spirit of its people. Figures like Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, and Subhash Chandra Bose exemplify the courage and determination that fueled the nation's freedom struggle. Their sacrifices and the collective effort of countless others who fought for our sovereignty are a reminder of the strength and unity that define our national identity. Cultural richness. Bharat's cultural heritage is diverse as its landscape, with each region contributing unique traditions, languages, and customs. The festivals celebrated across the country from Diwali to Holi to Eid and Christmas reflect a spirit of inclusivity and joy. Each festival is an opportunity to connect with our roots, celebrate our shared heritage, and embrace the diversity that makes Bharat exceptional. The country's artistic achievements are equally impressive. Bharat's classical dance forms like Bharatnatyam, Kathak, Odissi, and Kathakali embodies centuries of traditions and storytelling. Similarly, its music, whether the soulful strains of Hindustani classical or the rhythmic beats of Carnatic music, resonates with deep emotional and spiritual undertones. The rich tradition of literature, from the ancient epic to contemporary works, continue to offer profound reflection on human experience. Bharat is also known for its culinary diversity, with each region offering a unique palette of flavors and cooking techniques. The spicy curries of the south, the robust flavor of the north, and the delectable sweets from the east and west collectively represents the country's gastronomic wealth. This culinary diversity mirrors the broader cultural mosaic of Bharat, where every dish tells a story of history, geography, and tradition, spiritual and philosophical legacy. One of Bharat's most profound contribution to the world is its spiritual and philosophical heritage. The concept of dharma, duty, karma, action, and moksha, liberation, provide a framework for understanding life and guiding ethical behavior. The teachings of various philosophers such as Swami Vivekanand, Rabindranath Tagore, and Shri Aurobindo offers timeless wisdom that transcends cultural and geographical boundaries. Yoga and meditation, which originated in Bharat, have gained global recognition for their benefit in promoting mental and physical well being. These practices are deeply rooted in the spiritual traditions of the country and continue to attract individuals from around the world seeking balance and enlightenment. Social and political progress. In the modern era, Bharat has made significant strides in social and political development. The democratic framework established post independence has provided a platform for inclusive governance and civil liberties. Despite challenges, Bharat's commitment to democratic values and human rights remains steadfast. The economic growth witnessed in recent decades has been transformative, positioning Bharat as a major player on the global stage. Innovations in technology, advancement in science, and a burgeoning entrepreneurial spirit are contributing to a dynamic and forward looking nation. However, progress does not mean the absence of challenges. Addressing issues such as poverty, inequality, and environmental sustainability remains crucial for the nation's continued development. Personal connection and identity. On a personal level, my connection to Bharat is deeply rooted in the values and traditions imparted by my family and community. The sense of belonging and identity I derive from my motherland shapes my worldview and actions. The teachings of my ancestors, the stories of our history, and the cultural practices I engage in are all reflections of my deep seated gratitude. Bharat's ability to balance tradition with modernity is inspiring. The respect for ancient customs and the embrace of contemporary advancements create a unique environment where heritage and innovation coexist harmoniously. This balance is sometimes something I strive to embody in my own life, appreciating the past while looking forward to the future. In conclusion, my gratitude to my motherland Bharat encompasses a deep appreciation for its historical legacy, cultural richness, spiritual wisdom, and ongoing progress. Bharat's influence extends far beyond its borders, enriching the lives of its people and contributing to global discourse. My connection to Bharat is a source of pride and inspiration, shaping my values and guiding my actions. As I reflect on the profound impact of my motherland, I am reminded of the responsibilities that come with this gratitude to honor this past, engage with the present, and contribute to a future that upholds the ideals and inspiration of Bharat. Thank you friends for watching my video. Friends, I hope you like my video. Friends, if you like my video, so please subscribe, share and comments. Bye friends.